Hello and welcome back to the Royal Dogecoin channel. My name is Darren and we've got a lot to talk about today. It's been quite a positive day really for the Royal Dogecoin. If we just have a quick look at the chart here, we're back up to 0.0055. Now we were kind of, if we go back on the chart, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. We were about here this time yesterday. And we took a huge dive, okay, quite a lot of volume there, but since then we've had a steady growth and we've seen some new holders come in, but more importantly we've seen a lot of existing holders topping up their bags. Somebody's listening to these videos. Somebody's watching these videos. Buy the dip, that's what we're doing. I mean, we're up, 4.6% on the day so far, so, I mean, the whole market's up as well. Bitcoin's up and things like that, so it does help. But, I mean, we're not really that heavily connected to Bitcoin right now because we're still a new coin, so there's a lot of hype over how new it is. But yeah, on the 24-hour chart, we're up by 4.6%, and it doesn't seem to be slowing. It's a gradual increase. Now, what I'm hoping to do, if we just expand this chart here, I'm hoping that we've got this low point here that we seem to find the bottom, which was around about the 0.004 mark. We had a bit of a positive return from that, but then, you know, we dumped. But it didn't dump down as far. It couldn't. It ran out of momentum. Okay? The bears gave in to the bulls. And the bulls took over and they propelled us right back up there to where we stand now, which is 0.0055. Now, what I'm hoping to see, now that we're at the top here, is that this turns into support level, and this surpasses this point right here. Because if it does that, what we're doing is we're looking at a possible upward trend. You know, we've got higher highs and higher lows. So this low here is higher than that low, and we're hoping that this high here will finish higher than this one. And that could be the start of our first proper positive uptrend. Now, why is this happening? Well, the markets are up today. Dogecoin, Ethereum, they're up by 3, 4, 5%, which always gives people, you know, a good bit of incentive to start piling money in to the market again. But we also have some catalysts coming as well. If we have a quite quick look at the Telegram, we have an ad campaign starting on PooCoin as of 9:30, so about 30 minutes ago. We got notification saying it started, so I mean, we can go over and have a quick look. I don't think it'll be on there right this second, but we should come up on the, let me see, let's go back one. We should come up on the promoted list maybe. That's what I'm guessing. Either that or it's a banner ad, and we'll come up kind of, you know, on one of these here. Now this is great because this will bring in new holders. Today's price action is been predominantly people that already hold the coin, and they're topping up their bags. When we see a fundamental catalyst like this that's coming in now, today, well, right this second as we speak, the people in the Telegram group, they're anticipating the price to go up, they're anticipating new holders to come in, so they're topping up the bags to make as much profit as possible. And it's working, you know, it's doing well. So if over the next 24 hours we can gain another few hundred, couple of thousand holders, that would be amazing, because you'll see this fly through the roof, okay, and then you'll see we've got higher highs, higher lows, and we'll be trending upwards, and that will give people confidence, and it will give the coin momentum to keep going. And then we can claw back some of these losses that we've had going down from a penny. I mean, I think our highest point was, what, 0.19? And we will return to that. We will get up to this point once again, but it will take time. But yeah, if for the short term, in the next 12-24 hours, we can continue this uprise, we can go off in a positive direction, and we can settle above this point here, which is the 0055 mark, that would be great. If we can just go up another little bit, if we can finish a couple of candles above this. I mean, this is showing that bear candle here, okay, doesn't have the strength and the momentum to make it down as far as this one. So the bears are running out of steam. They haven't got the selling power required to push this down to where this candle was before. So it goes up, and that's what we want to see. You know, if you look at this, we've got a high, a low, we've got a lower high, and a lower low. That's a downward trend. So what we want is a low, a higher low, and then a higher high again. That'll be an upward trend. And with this ad on Bitcoin, when it kicks in properly, people start seeing it, they start having a look, they're going to see this, they're going to see, if we just minimize this a minute, they're going to see that this has only 890 holders. Okay, they're going to see that it has enough liquidity. They're going to see it's only a £500,000 market cap, and that we have 100 million coins at our disposal. And then if they go to the website, then they're going to see, well, yeah, it looks a pretty good website. Wow, they've got 7% BNB redistribution. That'll be very nice, as we discussed in yesterday's video. I'm looking to gain back my investment within 33 weeks, so that's great. 150% APR. And then they're going to see that they've got a poker room. They're going to see it's got active utility. And they're going to come along, they're going to check it out, they're going to play some hands, they're going to lose some money. Because we've got some real beasts in the Telegram that play this game, and they seem to be doing really well. And they're going to go off and buy more coins. So yeah, it's win-win-win all round today. It's a really good day. If this can just continue going up, that would be amazing. I mean, if we just scroll down, look at all this green. Look at all this green, it just looks lovely. Look at all these rewards. Look at all this BNB flowing into our wallets. You know, this is great. This is what we really, really want to see. And hope it'll continue. Just hope it continues straight up. And if it runs out of steam, because it is going slowly, it is quite slow, we've got quite low volume. If it runs out of steam, if we can clear a couple of candles above this high here, and then hopefully it will drop back down, but hopefully not as far as this, and then we can keep this positive price action moving forward. I mean, if we look at the daily chart, I mean, we're not old enough to really do any kind of technical analysis here, but this is a nice thing to see. We've got 3 days in a row of really, really heavy selling, and then we've got this. This is today. We started off at the top. We've gone right down to here, but it could not get down as far as that one did. It was rejected. The bears were rejected by the bulls, and the bulls have pushed this candle all the way back up, and it's becoming a dragonfly candle. Now if we can just get this up a bit more, if we can finish this above that wick, no wick, we want a bit of green above it. Okay, tomorrow should be another green day, and we'll start to see a rise again. That's what we're hoping for. Okay, all yesterday's FUD, it's gone, it's forgotten about. All the scammers, well, we know about them now, we're not going to fall for that. And it's a FUD-free zone once again. So yeah, if you already hold this coin, go on to PancakeSwap, fill your boots before these adverts really kick the price action going. And if you're new to this coin, if you're new to the channel, hit that like and subscribe button so you can get updates on up and coming projects, on scams, on the coin price action, whatever. So fill your boots, guys, back up the truck, load up those bags, and just sit back and relax and watch this price fly. Okay, and I'll see all you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, like and subscribe and share this with everyone you can. Alright, let's get the word out, guys. It's up to you. See you all next time.